today we are going to do a quick feather trinket tray, and I have this wino clock glitter from, it's like a glitter mica powder, and it is from Island Micas and More. It is amazing. Check it out. It is crazy awesome. So, and then also I'm going to use this rose red, and I mixed it a little with the magic orange because I thought it was a little too pink to go with this wino clock. So I added a little orange to my red, and I'm liking it now. I think it'll go good with this, hopefully. Didn't look at all. Then I have some clear in case I need more resin. It's here, just in case. All right. I am just going to pour the wino clock all the way around and let it go down in there. I missed a spot right here. And then I want some more, it's not really here and here. Like you can see through this, so you can kind of see where it's going and where it's not going. And it's going over there. Just use a little stick to spread it around. I want some right here. And now, because it's the glitter, I think it would be really cool to just kind of spread it along this part too. The quill had a little bit of glitter. Why not? Okay. Almost there. All right, that's how I want it. All right, now we are going to pour this on top. And just let it flow down. So on this particular mold, you have got to fill it to the very, very, very top of this rim, because if you don't, the quill part is too thin, and when you take it out, like it is just goes wonky because it's not reinforced with enough resin. I learned that the hard way. I was demolding it and I ripped a hole in it, so I just put it back in and I put more resin, made sure it was all the way up to the top, and it was fine. So, and it doesn't look wonky or anything, which is nice. All right. All right, I'm gonna hit it really quick with my heat gun. I am going to use the stick to make sure it is in there good, just a little. I have never had a problem with these, but I always at least kind of stick the stick in there. I think it helps with bubbles too, maybe, I don't know. But see, there's more went down in there, so this quill is completely not covered now. I'm so glad I did that. Sometimes I wonder if I'm just being silly, but then I realized, no, you need to do that. All right. Awesome. Now I am just going to use this clear. So glad I had extra. If I use clear, that's going to be kind of clear. Do you think that'll be cool, or should I just add red? I think it'd be cool to have the clear. That's what we're going to do. I may regret that. So I'm trying to make sure it's to the very edge. Gonna hit with the heat gun one more time, really quick. And we are done. I actually think that clear is gonna be really cool. I hope. So, yeah, got a little more bubbles. All right, we are done, and I will be back in 12 hours after, and we will demold it and check it out. Be right back. Okay, this is ready to demold, so let's do it. Let's just loosen up around the edges first. Just makes it easier to get it out all the way easier. All right, so just pull it off the end. Then it slides right out. Love this mold. Works really good. Got it off of Amazon, guys. So you can get it off of Amazon or Etsy, actually. So, oh, fun. See that wino clock? It shimmers. And then the red's behind it, and then a little clear. Ooh, this is fun. All right, let me bring you in for a close-up. All right, here it is. So I need to be able to see it better. There we go. All right. You can see the wino clock glitter. Blending really good with the red and orange mixture we made. And then the middle is the clear. Just adds another dimension to it. So pretty. There's lots of glitter on the quill. These are really fun trinket trays. I have one in my bedroom on my dresser. So there it is. Here are the ones. These will all be up in my Etsy store. So if you want to go over there and check it out. This one's really hard to see on the video, but it has the shimmer with the chameleon colors. So pretty. This is golden white and clear with glitter. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. These are fun. You should try this mold out or check these out in my Etsy store. Please like and subscribe. Be inspired.